Hey friends, hey friends, hey friends. So support black business. Support black business. So my daughter, well, me and her sell these. She's a black girl. My other friend sells these, and she's a black girl. Okay? She sells these. My daughter sells these. So support black business. Support black business. I watched this documentary called Trigger Warning. And it basically talked about how black people don't have enough businesses. Black people don't have enough supporters. Black people don't have enough resources that we're able to pull together. Now, we have resources in general, but resources to pull together, we don't. So, today is Black Friday. So, I want to make it my business to support a black business every Friday. Every single Friday. So, what I'm going to do is there's some people that tagged their business on my page, okay? And I am going to go, I'm going to pick which one I'm going to choose. And I'm going to go buy probably some lipstick or some makeup or something for the Grove Comp or some cosmetic jewelry or something that I need, okay? We got to get in the habit, guys, of keeping the money in the black community. Do you know how long the money stays in the black community, guys? 6 hours. And that's only because we're still at work and we haven't gotten to the bank to go buy some shit that we want, okay? So let's keep the money rolling in the black community. My daughter, these bracelets are amazing. You could wear these bracelets with anything. So tag your business, post your business, go to my Instagram, tag your business, post, your business. Okay. And then let people follow you. You follow those people that have businesses. Okay. And don't worry about, oh, she ain't follow me back. Oh, fuck her. No. Just follow them. Get them a new follower. That's it, guys. Support one another. I'm not saying everybody you're going to go buy something from. Just pick one business. One black business and go buy something you want or you need from them. So I'm going to put my daughter's link below here. I'm going to also put my tea. So shout out to Shay who bought some bracelets on this Black Friday from my daughter. Shout out to Octavia who bought some tea on this Black Friday from me. So I'm going to put my link below. You get you some tea, you get you some NutriBurst, you could get you some NRG, and you can get you, some bracelets. So if you order 2 sets of bracelets, right, you can get free tea, right? So order 2 sets of bracelets and you can get some free tea. All right, guys. So it's Black Friday in the black community. So support black business on this Black Friday, guys. Follow me on Instagram. See you soon.